Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX riffing here, and we got a CSX freight, close to like 125. I just heard him trying to warn us, it looked like, sounded like, and then he, seems to be motoring up pretty fast here because the 63 is way ahead, so he can go fast as he want, probably, at any speed he wants to go, and then he followed, before that he met the lakeshore in that eastbound stackle as well. In the previous videos he just met those two eastbounds down there,